that big horsey. He's a Palomino. Derby, come on. Let's go see the baby. Come on. Oh, you heard the deli drawer.
No.
James, where'd you go? There you are. Come on. Come on. Here's Derby. Come get him. Come get him. Come on, Derby.
What do you guys want to do for food?
Like for dinner?
No.
I don't know. What do you want to do?
I don't know.
I don't have a meal planned.
You do?
I don't.
Oh.
Go get him. Go get him. Where are you going? Oh my gosh. You going up the stairs? Look at you. Did you spot him while I'm filming? Has he been up a flight of stairs yet? I mean, in other people's houses? No. Hello. You're doing good. Keep going. Oh, look how smart he is. Figured that right out.
Didn't know where it is.
Where'd that step go? It was supposed to be here. Ooh.
Careful. Face first isn't.
It's his Everest.
He's using this super tiny spot to try to. James?
Oh no, he's down. He's rolling down the stairs.
You get down there safely? There you go.
Very smooth.
That was easy.
That was very easy. Let's do that again. That was fun.
Now he's just testing
Now you're
his-
just playing with us. Now you're just playing with us. Where's the doggy? Where's the doggy? He's choreographing it. He's got a whole music video he's thinking about.
Nope. No, no, eat. Whatever that was. Now he's looking, ooh, I can find something to eat.
These stairs are edible. Hold on. Now what?
That's cool.
He's a drummer boy.